In the middle of the year, I remember saying to my therapist, I just feel like I don't really have anything to say to you at the moment. Like, nothing's really occurring. Now, all I can think about is things I want to talk to my therapist about. All I can think about is things I want to talk to my therapist about. I'm like, oh, come back. She hasn't gone anywhere. I just saw her today, so I won't be seeing her till next week. But do you know how they say life is like a spiral? You keep so this will occur, and then I'll hopefully get a bit again where I go to my therapist. I just have nothing to talk to you about. So like all the shit I'm going through, I'm gonna get through like last time. It's just like if anyone comments like cough like that cat, I'm gonna scream.